all over your face. You don't have to say nothing. You don't have to say a word.
Damn. It's a night and day difference. I can definitely say that. Night and day. And it looks even better in the daytime. It's got like a little, see the color? It's like, it's not brown. It's like a reddish brown. It's unique. I like it. So far, I really like them though. Most likely they'll stay with me. And I appreciate all the love and the comments and, you know, the motivation, the support, everything, man. Y'all are great. That's all I can say about it, man. About just the community of bass in general. Us bass heads, man, you guys are great, for real. Matter of fact, I'm probably going to get on later on Facebook, For the Love of Bass. I just want to bang, man, and just mention about the, you know, the networking and the you know, just the support that's on YouTube just for car audio. And most of the guys probably already know this, but still, it never hurts to just put it out there, you know, that, you know, it's a great community. That's all, and just a great hobby to be into. There's so many different levels that you can compete at or that you can just base at. I mean, it's ridiculous. And I love it, and I hope that anybody that's in it, whether it's business, for the industry of it, or whether it's just for the love, I hope that the sky's the limit, man. And all I'm going to say with that is peace and bass. Yeah.